One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. So I think what needs to happen is state AGs need to get involved,
Okay.
or
Right.
different people like that, three-letter agencies. That's the only way. Because here's the thing. It's not just happening on Uber. No. That's right. Lyft is now showing the same
This is
exact thing.
shocking
So
to me.
we are seeing shaving happening on Lyft as well.
Yeah,
So
this
here is their Trip Radar. That's 913 coming in, and then this same exact ride, same exact person, because it tells you the name, Tara, verified 5.0. The fact of having those two come in at different times is next to impossible. So seeing the two there, you're going from 913 to 851. Lyft, stop.
Holy shit.
Just because your stock is at $16
No, it's 13.
doesn't mean. That's right. Yes, I'm sorry. Just because your stock is now $13, yes, it's it's up 9% from last year, but it's down X amount of percent, 22% from its earlier high.
Yeah.
But here's the problem with this.
Wow.
This shit should not happen.
Okay, we gave a pass when we did our algorithmic wage discrimination video with More Perfect Union to Lyft because their discrepancies were a lot wider than Uber's. We gave them a pass, right? On this one though, this is one place, Lyft, that you're messing with the wrong dog here. This is one place you should not be copying Uber. Okay, seriously. So Jeremy, I'm going to send you these two screenshots. I need you to explain it to me. On Trip Radar, and the pickup, drop-off, miles, and times are identical. And you ping the driver for like, what is this now? 62 cents less?
Yep.
Or shit. No. Let's cut this off. Let's not just copy Uber. Copy Uber when they do something good. Don't copy Uber when they do something like this. Something sinister like this. This is interesting to me. It really is. I wouldn't have expected Lyft to do this. But then I guess they're doing it. Okay. All right. Jeremy?
Yeah, whatever you can do to try to boost your profits, widen that gap. That's what they're going to do. But so, yeah, this is another thing. So Lyft, if you are driving Lyft, send the screenshots again here. So if you're seeing the ride finder pop up and you're seeing the exclusive come in at a different price.
Hold on a second, though. Hold on a second.
What?
Okay, on the Trip Radar, the pickup is 1.7 miles on 8 minutes. On the ping is 1.5 miles on 8 minutes.
Okay, so you should have a 2/10 of a mile.
2/10 of a mile is equal 7%.
Haircut. I don't think so.
Okay, I mean that could be their explanation. So I'm just saying it could be it, because most likely they're going to come back with that. They go like, well, it's 2/10 closer. That's why.
Yeah, that still doesn't seem no.
Okay.
So either way, I think that Lyft